Hey, after the video, I'm going to show you how to make plutonium out of stuff you probably have kicking around in your garage, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Carbs and Coffee. Listen, I got something I gotta do today. That involves moving my son's actually, Saab. I gave that to him. I gotta find the keys. I know they're out here in the shop. Let me find those. And they are right here. All right, let's go move this thing. This has been, it's been sitting for a real long time. Actually, probably like probably 2 months. Let's go get that moved. All right, as you can see, it's been sitting here a while. Tires are really low on air and just kind of sinking into the ground here. Let's go around. Unfortunately, we got some rust here. Underneath is really clean now. We got to replace the headlight on this thing. But yeah, as you can see, I mean, this looks like a resurrection video now, doesn't it? Been sitting a while, so let's get in and hopefully we don't need to charge the battery up. Oh, good. That's a good sign. All right, you got the key. Still smells good in here, so that's good. Usually the critters get into these cars as they sit. That's good so far. Here we go. Oh. No. No way. One more time. Yeah. It's just not enough power. All right. We gotta clean these leaves and then pop the hood and jump it. You guys, it's time for the moment of truth. I got the jump box on there. There we go. No problem. Lifter's made a little bit of noise, but that went away right away. Let's clear all that out. Make a safe stop. All these of course that's not going to go away. So my fuel gauge does not work. It hasn't since I own the car. There's plenty of gas in there. We do the old 300-mile trip thing, so it's a common problem with these cars. Hey guys, quick tip. Whenever you're messing with your car or whatever, this is what I do. Never shut the door with your car running and the key in it. Just at least cars from this era, I don't know, like new cars, but at least I don't do it. If you're gonna, roll your window down, because you never know if your car is gonna lock the doors on itself and then you can't get in and your car's running, or even with the car off with the keys in it for that matter. So that's a quick tip. If you're gonna, just leave your door open. Just never leave your key in it with it running or not running. I just don't shut my door. Just always, or have your key in your pocket. All right, should be okay to unhook this. Oops. Okay, so I just ran over the inner fender because the tire pressure's so low. It sank into the ground and then it ran it over. So I gotta now figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm definitely gonna have to put it in reverse a little bit here. Alright, so it completely tore the inner fender off. Pulled it right down. I'm gonna have to jack this up, take the wheel off, and take that off. This sucks. Alright, so I got some of the pressure off the wheel here. Are you kidding? I grabbed a 19. This is an 18? Look at how puny those are. Alright, so... Alright, I'm gonna grab a 18 millimeter. Alright, 18, here we come. Alright, I got my 18. I'm gonna grab a breaker bar just in case. Alright, I did have to use the breaker bar on this, but no biggie, I got them done. I just don't have a lot of power on this guy here. Alright, that was nice and easy. It was only on there by this one, I think. And I probably should have just went ahead when I did this and took it off all the way. So it's off now, and this I'll be able to fix with just a bigger washer and keep it on there. So all right, I'm gonna be putting this back on and pull this car out of here. question is, will it start? Probably, I don't know. 50-50. Yes! All right, I didn't have to jump it. Got it up to the shop. I'm gonna put that headlight in it, but first I'm gonna blow all this stuff out of it, and yeah, it needs it really bad. But anyways, I want to show you something. I had to go on the forums to check this out, but watch. I'm gonna put the window down. I got my auto on. Okay, boom. Let me back this up. All right, now watch when I go to like do auto up. It'll do this if you hold it too, but watch. Okay, all right, now watch. I'm holding it. See, it just won't go up. So what my wife and I were doing, we were going like this. We're like trying to time it perfectly, watch. And then like, watch, I'll go like this. Stop, there. Like I stopped it perfectly, but you drive down the road and like it'll make noise or whatever. It's not perfectly sealed. You have to time it perfectly. And then like say like, it rains out or whatever, like a little bit of, like we were getting real good at it, But, so check this out. You go on the forums. Here's what you do for the car to get it right. I don't know, there's some way you could probably get in here and do it. I actually have a really good scanner that I could do it with, but I think you gotta have the, what is it? The type 2 or whatever thing. But watch, you can overcome this by doing this. This is your window lock thing. So you push this down, and at the same time, I'll try to, you gotta hold that down, and at the same time, pull up on that. I'm doing it all at the same time. Boom, okay? So this is what I did. Push this down first, okay? And then I just pull back on that, and then as it's going up, just keep them both held, and it'll do that, okay? Actually, let me see something. I wonder if I just hold this. I'm gonna hit this, hold this down, and then just hit the auto up. Oh no, it won't, see, it won't do it. All right, now I'm gonna push it back down, hold that, and hold the up. Yeah, it won't do it unless you're physically pulling on it. So I hope that helps if you're having the same problem. Alright you guys, I did a quick clean job on this thing. I just took the air hose and cleaned out the this kind of stuff around the water channels and stuff. I mean, this was just filled with crud and all that kind of stuff. I just pulled out of there the little helicopters and stuff like that. Pine needles and all that kind of stuff. If you're gonna let a car sit, guys, just make sure you clean that stuff out, because that's the stuff that'll sit, hold moisture, and rot a car away. That's the best thing you could do. Vacuum it out. If you don't have an air compressor, you know, vacuum it out first. Then the best thing really to do afterwards is take your air compressor and then blow inside these channels too. And then take, I'll show you what I use. This thing is awesome. I've had this for years now. This is my most favorite one from China Freight, Harbor Freight here. It's got this really long wand, and you could stick it in like those sort of things there. And yeah, just blow, and you could go into stuff like that and wiggle around and spray all over. See, like a little pine needle right there, you know, pull those out. But like, yeah, you know, being careful not to scratch your paint, but spray down in these channels, spray inside your moonroof, around the perimeter like that there, get that out. Spray around your window trim. That'll really help with making sure that your car doesn't rust out and start leaking and stuff like that, okay? Here's a big one, guys, people don't remember to do, is clean out the cowl area. This is where your car breathes, okay? And underneath here on most cars is where your in-cabin air filter is. And yeah, it's very important that you keep it all clean, okay? So, especially if you're gonna like let it sit underneath trees, that's just where it gets plugged and rodents and stuff. For my car, I sprayed down in here and stuff shot out in here that'll rot out your hood. My insulation was rotting away and falling, and rodents got underneath it, and you know, just rip it off. There's just no sense on keeping it, because then the rodents they just use it for a home, and then they start making homes inside here and stuff. So it's just one less thing for them to start making homes with. Then they get inside this little hole, and then, so you know, I already checked in here. No, I didn't, but I will check inside here. This is my air filter. But I did take my hose and I sprayed all in here, and when I was doing that, you know, well, mouse droppings were shooting all around and stuff. So, but like I said, the car's been sitting, hasn't been used, so we will get this headlight replaced. But for now, that's going to do it for this video. I did get it out of its little hibernation spot. I got the tires filled up, as you can see. I think in the next video I'll explain the color difference and why this looks like that and all that good stuff. But for now, I'm glad that it's out of its little hibernation spot, and we're losing daylight here. So that's going to wrap it up on this video. Thanks again for watching Carbs and Coffee. All right, thanks for watching.